Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G smartphone. In this video, we will learn how to change app icon batches in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. First of all, go to the home page and see here. This is one of the app message. Okay, over that it is showing that two. Okay, two in red color is showing. That means two notifications have been received for these messages. Okay, so this is called app icon batch and it is shown in number. If you would like to change it to dot, okay, instead of number, just only dot will be shown. Okay, how to change it? First go to settings of your phone here, then go to home screen. Go to home screen and here you will find one option, app icon batches. Just click over it and here just select other option dot, so that only dot will be shown over the app icon. Okay, see here, only dot is showing, irrespective of how many number of notifications you have received, only simple dot will be used. Okay, if you select app icon batch to dot. Okay, so if you would like to show only numbers, click on number and it will be showing the number. Suppose if you don't want any batch over the app icon, just to disable it, just to turn off this button, so that nothing will be shown over the app. Okay, even if you have received notifications, over app icon it will not be showing, but in notification area you can see the what are the notifications you have received. So in this way you can easily change app icon batches in your phone Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.